be making something very special, not the ordinary traditional sandwich. However, it's going to be a 1966 dated sandwich. Now our ingredients here, they've already been opened, but I'll show you what we have. White bread, and our main entree, ham with water added, and eggs, chopped and canned. As you can see, we disposed of some of the bread already, but we're going to be getting started. So what our main ingredients are, we have the bread, lots of ergot and bulb going in with it. Today we're going to be basically doing something different. I'm going to be, okay, we might make an open face sandwich. Go ahead and just get that, 38. What you want to do is make sure your bread is nice and level. Meat, give your meat a good rub. Open face sandwich. Now today we prepared a special type of gravy for the sandwich, so you can make a Thanksgiving special, whatever you may have. What we're going to do is place the bread into the gravy, like so. Place the meat on the sides, a few more croutons here and there. Allow the dish to sit and settle for a couple of minutes. A few more finishing touches. Almost done. Now that our open face sandwich is almost done, what you're going to want to do, like I mentioned previously, let it settle for a few minutes. Get those mold pieces in there real good. So your P38, go ahead and mash those up right there. Get a little bit of a pudding, custard type thing. Bob's your uncle, there you go. That's how you make a 1966 dated ham and egg sandwich on white bread. Look at that deliciousness right there. Perfect entree for having guests over, having parties, anything you may have. Either you want to have company, you got family, you got your aunt and uncle coming from out of town. Hey, don't worry, don't give it a thought. Hey, what you do, you make this sandwich, you can make multiples depending on how much money you want to spend. It is not the most modestly priced meal. Get one of these, range from about $50 to $100. Now this one here, it will be worth the money, guaranteed. Hey man, got you some meal, happy birthday, got you something. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I toasted it to perfection. So we have quite a, oh my god, that looks very delicious, very appetizing. Let's go ahead and set this back in the kitchen. Bring it back to the kitchen, let's go. We actually have a special delivery coming in live. We're gonna go deliver it right now.
Take cover! Out of the way! What the hell is wrong with you? Get out of there!
Destroyed objective.
Heads down! Grenade going in! Grenade on its way! I'm reloading! Give me cover! Nade going in!